Welcome to Global Tax Talks Tax in 60 Seconds. I'm Will Morris, and here are some things to watch out for in the coming week. Expect a lot of talk about the UN meetings in New York. Both the General Assembly's Economic and Social Council, or ECOSOC, and the UN Committee of Tax Experts met. ECOSOC discussed in part the UN's new role in setting international tax policy, and the Tax Committee advanced several of their work streams, some more controversial than others. Both meetings, however, resulted in more questions than answers. So, while governments discuss the scope of the UN's new role, this will take quite some time, during which noise levels will undoubtedly rise. An early example? Well, many members of the Tax Committee showed interest in a pretty groundbreaking idea to extend gross basis withholding on all payments for services, a huge expansion of current Article 12A of the UN Model Treaty on Services. On low-margin cost-plus arrangements, this could easily wipe out any profit. Also at the ECOSOC meeting, Tim Power of the UK Treasury and co-chair of the OECD's Inclusive Framework said he was confident that the IF would have an agreed multilateral convention on Pillar One soon. Apparently, the expectation is also growing in some quarters that the US administration will sign up for the MLC, then setting up a potential confrontation with the US Senate, which would have to ratify that treaty. Finally, in Pillar 2 news, the UAE is the latest country to launch a P2 consultation, including a set of questions on substance-based incentives. The paper states that, open quotes, in addition to fostering tax transparency and cooperation, the UAE's vision is also to maintain competitiveness and attract businesses to establish a presence in the country, including through the development of flexible, agile, and future-oriented incentive packages tailored to meet investors' needs. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, and come back next week so that you stay global tax ready.